sorry, darling, for the confusion. You know, I was on the phone and it was very stressful. You better come inside and talk, otherwise the neighbors will think you're a mad woman. Come, darling. Sit down. How are you? I'm so sorry about the miscommunication, you know. It was rather a testy connection.
I don't know what is wrong with your phone, man. You can't figure out the difference between Malla and Balla.
Anyway, these days everything is confusing, no? Elections, no, darling. Patalenawa. But tell me, what's the gossip?
That's what I came to tell you, Polly. Ane balanako, Sanat Mahanavela.
Mahanavela? Sanat?
Yes, Ane, such a good person. He's going to become a Buddhist monk. Hangurankita Vimala Ratana.
I thought as much, Tix, you know, when he became the chairman of the cricket selecting committee. ඒ වැඩවලට කාටද darling මහාන වෙන්න හිතෙන්නේ නැත්තේ? සසර depress වෙලා මහාන වෙන්න නැති.
මේ ලස්සන කොණ්ඩෙත් කපලානේ, Polly?
කොණ්ඩේ? Sanat? Master Blaster Sanat?
Nane, not the Master Blaster. Why, Madam's old advisor. The one, you know, who had nothing to do with the salons.
Which salon are you talking about, Tix?
Why, you're the one who told me, that he runs a salon that cuts celebrities' hair. Why, man, recently these innocent barbers were accused of cutting hair, even though that's their job. This Sanat, of course, had nothing to do with that.
Sanat. He was acting in how many roles, Tix? He's a great actor. Is he going to act in the same role with Madam?
No. He is not going to act as any more Narakacharita. He is going to act as a Hamudru. But before he acts like a Hamudru, he is going to become a Hamudru and Mahanavenava Polly. Mokada, to understand and learn good behavior.
To experience good behavior?
Yes, Polly. It's definitely not as a gimmick to sell his next movie.
When those singers, when they gave pardon to the barbers who cut their hair, this person must have thought about Mahana Venna. Dukkha avabodhaya karanna vennati.
Polly, the disciple of a Buddhist monk, is refined and is intended to be conducive to arising of mindfulness and wisdom. The code of conduct is called the Vinaya. Vinaya is not an end in itself. It is an excellent tool, Polly, which can be instrumental in leading to the end of suffering. He is convinced by that end and he will learn Vinaya.
Very good, Tix. At least now if he is learning about the Vinaya, kochchara hondada? Tix, I am going to have the greatest wedding this world has seen.
Why? Honey, are you going to get married again?
Tell you frankly, Tix, if someone proposed to me in a political rally on the stage, can you imagine it, Tix? A handsome man is saying, 1987, Oata Matakada, my entire family was killed. You can go there and see if anybody remains. No one remains. I did the needful. Mama Rune, Manlanga Rila Gatiguna Nehe. Mam Pilliavan Tasai. Enisa or Mama Bandin the last to the Polly. How do you like that? Isn't that a good marriage proposal, Tix?
You think the whole world is like that? It's disgraceful. Marriage proposals becoming international public affairs now. I'll tell you one thing, Polly. Just one thing. It's disrespectful to women.
Why are you shouting about a simple joke? Don't you get a simple joke, Tix? We are a nation full of jokers. Jokers must joke, otherwise how are they going to make a living? From ancient times we have been a nation full of jokers. Why, you remember? Even the palace had a joker, Andre.
Here, please don't insult Andre by comparing it with
Listen, Tix, what do you know? These are international diplomatic ventures. Actually, these are new world concepts. We don't know these things, no, Tix. Actually, I think we should be teaching this sort of thing in schools. International relations. We can invite saying, Mathiniya enna, Malpipidai balanna. And then we can propose marriage at a political rally. It's a new world order concept of international diplomacy.
Now I understand, Polly. You first invite and then you propose marriage. That is really a great diplomatic policy. Happy Polly, May, that is not what I'm interested in. May, what did you say about that wedding?
Now, Tix, this is very important. Do you have a paper and a... No, it's okay. You have to find me a Chaya Mangala Kiana Setakui, Drummers La Setakui. Can you do that?
Of course, I can find her. That's very easy, May. But isn't your son still schooling?
No, darling. It's for when you marry my Kitcha, my Malla.
What nonsense? Are you mad? Mama bandit ne? Are you mad? Mage ballavat bandit ne? This is one of your diplomatic missions.
No, darling. Now calm down. I'm just joking. This is when Ape Simi marries Mervy's Tommy. Mervy's Tommy? Ekaude? Why, darling, Mervy, that woman, man, she's my friend. She has a big mouth, man, and she's always talking nonsense. We are going to set up my doggy and her doggy to bandina, darling. It's going to be so beautiful. Also, that Jimmy, my doggy Jimmy, I have to find someone for my Jimmy also, darling. Mama Belarus වලටත් පණිවිඩයක් කියවුවා. එහෙ බලන්න කියලා. එහෙ ඉන්නවලු අපේ doggies ලට ගැලපෙන අය.
Okay, now Polly, let's get this straight. Let's straighten this out. Now, your Simi is going to marry Tommy and you're looking for a bride for Jimmy.
That's right. We are going to take the wedding in a big way, darling. We are going to have it at Lakeview. 3,500 rupees per head, Tix. But you know, we have to do it the traditional way, no? Even though these hotels are expensive nowadays, I have found the right Kapu Mahatya who knows how to chant all the traditional Porwa Sindhus, darling. He's called a dog interconnection guy.
Who? Dogs interconnection guy?
Yes, darling. These traditional marriage activities for doggies started recently. It's because of a great project. Api ආශ්චර්යයට යන ගමනේ හැරවුම් ලක්ෂයක්.
හැරෙනවා? ඒ කියන්නේ ආපහු හැරෙනවද?
Tix, don't be so jealous, okay? We could be the first country in the world to legalize the marriage of dogs. Dogs have feelings too. They have rights, Tix. Basic human rights. The right to marriage is a basic human right. We have to show the whole world that we are not only protecting people's rights, but we're also protecting animal rights, Tix. අපි බලු කපුට දාන දුන්නු මිනිස්සු ටික්ස්. අපි බලන්ට ආදරේ ටික්ස්. මේ ලෝකේ cruel ටික්ස්. We have to protect their human rights ටික්ස්. They should have the right to get married to who they want, be a family, live where they want and observe any religion they want ticks. We must allow them. Being a family, they can do all that.
Polly, I hope you're not becoming insane or something.
Don't be so negative, Tix. This is a new world. Bulat khana ekkenek wage katha karanne epa, darling. This is the new world of casinos. And doggy marriages are a new concept in the new world. This is the world of casinos. Casino world eke doggy marriages new concept ekak, darling. Then the harassment of the female doggies also will reduce. They can become a family, no, darling. They won't have to have any illegitimate doggies, no. And all these sicknesses like rabies and AIDS will reduce. And there'll be a family. There will be fathers and mothers. There won't be any female doggies going and dropping off their puppies at temples. Puppy abandonment also will reduce. That is why I want to take my doggy's wedding in a big way, darling.
Yes, Polly, I agree. We are a great nation.
We are a nation of great humanity. Now see, the minister saw 2 roosters were going to be sacrificed at the Kali Devalaya. See the greatness of this act. We must not allow anyone to break the human rights of animals.
That is true, Polly. But just a question. How many chicken do you think we eat in this country every day?
That is chicken, no. I am talking about roosters. You can eat any amount of chicken you want when you buy it from a supermarket, darling. But don't go and kill some chicken for a Billy Poojawa for any religion. That is why the Ministry of Animals intervenes in unnecessary Poojawas, protecting human rights.
Now, Polly, will you bring this new traditions of marriage for roosters and hens?
Actually, Tix, we should.
Then we can serve chicken for weddings, no? Make a muggle sakvalak, ne?